Robert Menton, General Manager, Sellers Subaru, Macomb, Michigan. Well, I've been in the car business since 1977. Had an opportunity to hold several different positions at a store. Currently General Manager here at Sellers Subaru. Love the car business. It's one of those things, once you get it in your blood, you'll never get it out. I had a friend that I would talk back and forth with, and he talked about the fact that car business has really a great opportunity to make a good living and something exciting, a little different every single day. I really didn't believe him at first until I got an opportunity to visit him at a dealership. I saw what he was doing, and I thought, you know what, this is for me, and it has been. Well, the endorsement from our owner went a long way, but I was very skeptical at first because It's one of those things where I talk to vendors on a regular basis. The way that this program was laid out for us was very easy to understand and follow. Well, the onboarding was huge, making sure we understand exactly what was going to be going out, how it was going to be out, being able to proofread and see everything. But more importantly, the interaction we get on a regular basis, on a monthly basis, going over our numbers to make sure that we understand not only what came out of it, but we could go back and double check it, because some of the numbers initially were so impressive that we almost doubted it until we went back and looked at ROs. It's a good bad. It's a double-edged sword where there are days when I almost have to put a timeout on the shop, not the actual working side, but the pipeline to fill it, the service lane. Over the top, more than expected. One of those things where we really did kind of doubt what was being said on the way in. Could they really deliver on what they talked about? And again, more than delivered, way over our expectation. The return on investment has been over the top. If someone said to me, like our owner said, hey, by the way, Robert, we're going to discontinue this program, I'd have a real long debate as to why we would even think about turning this particular program off because of what it's delivered.